Hey everybody, this is Ray Ogilvy from Hartsville, South Carolina. Now you probably recognize the plant we're looking at here. This is a Venus flytrap. And these plants are well known for their ability to catch and digest insects. But have you ever wondered how these plants evolved their amazing abilities? Well, like any evolutionary process, these adaptations would have taken many, many years. But we can take a look at a close relative of the Venus flytrap and get an idea of what these plants may have looked like in their more primitive form. This is a sundew, and sundews are in the same family as the Venus flytrap. And the Venus flytrap's ancestors probably looked a lot like this. We can see some similarities between them. In both plants, the leaves are arranged in a circular pattern around a central point, kind of like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. On the ends of the leaves of the Venus flytrap, we of course find traps. But on the sundew, we find these pads, covered with tiny hair-like projections. And a sticky substance. This substance is called mucilage. Most plants produce it. The Venus flytrap produces it. But the Venus flytrap produces just enough to lure insects into the traps. The insects come to eat the mucilage and end up setting off the traps. But in the sundew, the mucilage is actually used to trap the insects. The sundew produces a lot of mucilage, which makes it look like it's covered with droplets. And this is what gives it its name. Insects actually get caught in the mucilage. Once the insect is caught, the sundew will exude digestive enzymes, just like the Venus flytrap. And once the insect is digested, the sundew will absorb it, just like the Venus flytrap. The sundew's leaves can even curl up around the insects, but the movement is much slower than in the Venus flytrap. But many of the elements we see in the Venus flytrap are present in the sundew. And with a little evolutionary tweaking, it wouldn't be hard to imagine the sundew closing up from side to side on its victims like a flytrap. Just add some teeth around the edge of the pad and it would look a lot like a flytrap. Thanks for watching.